Alright guys, we are back again at PRE Racing. We have the Supra about to get in the back of the shop. But again guys, we are at PRE Racing. This is a shop you guys are going to want to go to if you are in the Pacific Northwest. The best performance shop you can go to. Alright guys, we are at the PRE Racing shop. We're about to go ahead and get this all installed. Man, look at these sick cars in here. Look at that sick throwback GTO. Classic GTO, classic Subaru. But this is going to be the shop.
Nowadays the pain follow me, deal with trauma privately. I don't wanna be a burden, I handle things defiantly. Spent a decade searching for a higher power guiding me. Figured out that faith is not up there, that it's inside of me. Act with execution, what's a plan with zero action? Faced with bad habits, knowing it's a magnet to my imbalance. I'm somewhere between confidence and arrogance. The middle ground is treacherous, I work on getting out of it. Pops is looking down, I feel him every time the sun shine. Back to being unsigned, I only got my bloodline. With me going forward, smoking cookie till we heard you taking shots, we pulled up on them, they was gun shy. 2 p.m. in Rome, we at the chapel eating sun-dried tomatoes and a plum wine. Life been like a movie, I don't know how long the run time. Hope it's an extended cut, but when I died, I load my consciousness onto a thumb drive and upload it to the masses. When I pass, all my sets is holographic. Life's as real as you imagine. My Jewish girl was tight, cause I ain't Linka on the Sabbath, but it's Friday and I got a few robins I need to bask in. Playing traffic, if you wanna play the faction, we don't act, we getting active, stacking cash and dodging taxes. My father was a Catholic, never taught me how to practice, but with music I'm a Baptist. Chris and all these tracks I bless these raps with. Standing in the middle of the marsh, yeah, baby. Both sides caving on the drive, praying to my pops and the guys. God, please help me out. Can you spare me for once? Spare me for once. Hey, yeah. Can you spare me for once? Spare me for once. Hey, I ain't asking for much.
Look, saint versus sinners, the poor versus riches, top ramen place versus 5-star dinners. Wonder where I fit in, the humblest beginnings. Had to take some losses before I saw my first winnings. Silver line grinning, poverty line thinning. My life is like a movie and the plot just thickened. Came from broken homes trying to break the old traditions. Left my old ways for my future acquisitions. I know, no such thing as playing both sides. I know, life is better in the dope ride. I know, the water better in the low tide. Music better amplified, staying down for upsides. I know, no such thing as playing both sides. I know, the life is better in the dope ride. I know, the water better in the low tide. Music better amplified, staying down for upsides. I know. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I know, I know, I know, I know. Lord, leave me all on red, that's some cold. Then you hear me late at night, you some bold arrows, yeah. But you already know that, yeah. And I love it when you throw that, yeah. Shawty, where you sold at? Baby, where you goes at, yeah. Thinking like a you be moving like a got me checking for you go now, yeah. Cupid told her keep calling. All of my feelings I'm all in. She be playing games, she spotting. Always fade away, hesitate, keep crossing. Steady with the pivot like Jordan. I've been tryna run the place, she pausing. I've been tryna plan the date, she stalling. Think she ain't ready for me. So beware, she's scared of loving me. So beware, she's scared of commitments. So beware, she's scared of loving me. So beware, she's scared of commitments. Yeah. Even good things. Look, even good things. I don't think I'm better, I'm just hurt that homie switched on me. That I'm younger than been calling me the big homie. In the land of snakes, I'm like Moses with this stick on me. I'm the chosen one, motherfucker. don't forget, homie. Look, dropping these songs weekly. Money coming in, ain't from the streets, this clean squeaky. Working after hours, hella hard, so you can't reach me. 50 songs in, now this getting hella easy, hella easy. And I put that on me, feel like Yella Beezy. Fuck up the game, now my bank account hella sleazy. And I'm on you n***'s head like I'm selling beanies. With the wise guys and good fellas like I'm Scorsese.
Hey. Next to rock like Mick Foley. It's Nick Joby, kill him softly, play that shit slowly. On the keys like Tony, throwing subs, they get toasted. About my bread like a hoagie. This beat ice cold, look how I ride this Zamboni. I feel like Otani, good anywhere you throw me. She eat a Chobani, cause her body getting bony. Late night, heavy scrolling, vape light, heavy smoking. We got our healthy habits, we been already growing. It's like we drowning in them, it seems the levee's broken. But it's not too late to change them. And refrain from being slaves to the vices that encage them. I'm writing on this page like I'm throwing hands with Satan. Don't run from all those demons, gotta stand your ground and face them. Sometimes you break, but through destruction comes a renovation. We all just trying to build a foundation. We all just trying to build a foundation. We all just trying to build a foundation. Yeah. Liquidity dry, I couldn't quit if I tried. It's been a ride through all the waves and the tides. Little emptiness inside from all them days with the guys. Try to mask it, but I know you see the pain in his eyes. All the lows and the highs, all the gray in the sky. Every reason I should throw away and swallow my pride. All my life been like a permanent grind, of just deserving my shine. And you can't even tell until I push the curtains aside. Ay, and it's disturbing behind, but yo, y'all love to say it's worse in your mind. Still I'm searching to find something that's bigger than a verse or a rhyme. Find your wings and then the courage to fly. Cause we all just trying to build a foundation.
Alright heroes, so we are finally done with the install, and wow, look how great that wing looks. It looks so good. It fits the car perfectly. Not too big, not too small. Look at that Swanness. Oh my gosh. So we're gonna go ahead and get the Veris splitter on very soon as well. But look at this angle right here. This angle, oh man, that is perfect. Look at that, man. And the wing, I love how the wing, the end plates matches these kind of BMW mirror caps right here. So if you guys see, they definitely kind of match with like kind of that angular part. So if you're gonna get the end plates or this wing, getting that mirror cap definitely fits. But just overall, look at everything from the EVS fenders to even the side skirt extensions to just kind of the rear right here. Just everything now is starting to really kind of come together. The venting in the car, and this wing is actually bigger than you'd think. This is a really big size right here. So it is not like skinny by any means. I really want to show you guys a little bit better of an angle here. You know, it is not skinny by any means, but it definitely just, like I said, it's not too high, not too low. Like, look at that. So good. But overall, man, so excited for the car, so excited for the build. Man, just thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. You know, I was contemplating if I wanted to have this as my second long-term car, but man, with this car and the Corvette, I think I'm good, guys. You know, I'm big on just building two very good cars and amazing cars instead of having just a whole bunch that just aren't done. But wow, like look at that angle. That is amazing. Wow. Anyway, hope you guys liked the video. Hit the like button if you guys liked the video. Subscribe button, follow the journey. Like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams and make them reality. And have a great day, y'all. Let's get it. Peace.